Hi, this is Samina Sheikh here on Zoom channel, and with me right now I have Rashi Khanna. So join me as I welcome her only on Zoom. First of all, lovely outfit, and I must say that Filmfare Glam Awards it looked like because of your outfit. So tell me, how much time did you take to get ready?
I think I got ready so fast because I had to just be here on time. But it's always a pleasure to get dressed, and I think that's what our profession's also about, apart from all the mehnat that we do on sets. So very excited to be here. I think it's the first time that Filmfare has come here and is doing the Style Awards here. So very, very excited to be here.
What's been your go-to song, which you kind of, play whenever it's on your mind, whenever you come for an event?
Oh wow! I mean, there's no particular song that I look forward to listening to at an event, but there's a recent song from my own film, Telusu Kada. It's a Telugu film. We just released a song called Malika Ganda, and I've been listening to that on loop.
And we could see that you are quite busy with your work. So tell us something about your upcoming projects.
There's Ustad Bhagat Singh with Pawan Kalyan sir. There is Sidhu Junalagadda's Telusu Kada, and this Farhan Akhtar sir's 120 Bahadur. But there are some more announcements coming.
Wow, lovely chatting with you and all the very best. Thank you. Lovely to have you. I must say that dapper you look tonight. But tell me one song which plays in your head whenever you come for an event.
One song. It depends on the dress I'm wearing. If it's Indo-Western, then probably something from Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, something like that. If it's like a tux like this, then probably I'll play Bond music, any of the Bond songs. And if I'm wearing like athleisure, probably Mission Impossible, something like that.
Yeah, something or the other keeps on playing.
Yeah, the mood depends. Probably today while getting ready, I would have played some James Bond kind of music.
If you weren't a celebrity, what would you be doing right now?
I'm a journalism graduate, so I would have been on the other side interviewing celebrities, probably. This profession didn't exist when I was in college. I would have been a content creator. I think that's what I would have been.
And I think you are creating a lot of good content already. But tell me something about your work. What's keeping you busy of late? Which projects you are kind of bouncing.
So there's this very my last film, Buddy, didn't do well, and then it's almost like 10 years in the industry, and I wanted to step back and assess what is it that I want to do going forward. How would I want the next 5 years to be? A lot of the first initial years, though I was from a film family, it was a lot about self-discovery and I was trying not to buck to the pressure, but I was kind of trying to fit into the mold of what people want me to do, and I was not hitting it. Sometimes I was hitting it, sometimes I was not, so I took a break to figure out what I want to do next. So next upcoming, just today I've taken the advance from the producer. It's like a very personal love story. I worked on it with the director for like a year and a half. It's very close to both of us. It's nothing like anything what people have seen before. It's going to move people. It's a great story. It's a great, bold, progressive theme. So we've not named it yet. We have some titles. So that's what I'm working on. Other than that, something else outside of films, but it's all creative stuff only. I won't move away too much from the film industry. Anything I do, I think I'll be around this only. So when I'm ready, I'll announce it probably.
And lastly, what has been your secret mantra which you follow, and which keeps you going in your work life?
My work life, I think going to the movie theatre and watching it gives us people in the industry such a life. That's the best feedback, not what we see and what we understand. More than that, I think when we go to the theatre and watch a film, the kind of education we get, I think that keeps me, I feel, more relevant and contemporary because I'm constantly evolving my taste along with the audience, taking in their feedback. So I think that's something I would tell everybody to do.
Well, thank you so much for your lovely interaction and all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you.
Lovely to have you over here, and I have to ask you that what is that one song which plays in your head whenever you come for an event?
That's a tough question. I think right now there's my song going on that says "Vibe Hai Baby, Vibe Hai," so it fits the bill perfectly. Yeah.
Who's been your favorite actor?
Chiranjeevi sir. Yeah.
And tell us something about your work. What's keeping you busy off late with?
I have a release from September this year, so we're all packed with the works of the release. It's called Mirai.
And lastly, what's been your mantra? Which you keep going. Which helps you to keep going for your work.
There are too many things that I keep thinking. You mean the motivation thing, right? Nowadays you have Instagram for the 10-second motivation anyway, so all of them help. Yeah.
And if you have to if something which keeps you hooked on Instagram, what is that?
As I said, the motivation reels.
Well, thank you so much for your interaction and all the very best. Looking forward to see more of your work.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Samina Sheikh here on Zoom channel, and with me right now I have the one and only DSP, Devi Shri Prasad, to join me as I welcome him only on Zoom. First of all, lovely to have you on board and composing songs. And you have been a part not only of Bollywood but also of South. So tell me about your work and which has been your personal favorite work.
Oh, I think it's first of all, thank you for all the love to everyone in India and all around the globe, all the Indians for giving us so much of love in all languages for Pushpa 1 or Pushpa 2 or even the early movies that I did like Dinka Chika, Daddy Women, whatever songs, and both South and North. Choosing a personal favorite would be, I think, really tough, and that won't be fair too because we give songs only when we love them. So I kind of love all the songs that they did. So I'm quite
What's
happy.
been your go-to song whenever you come for an event?
Come for an event?
Yeah.
See, my go-to songs are always Michael Jackson's or Ilayaraja sir's.
What's been your mantra, when it comes to work, and what is that one thing which really keeps you passionate and hooked up onto your work?
To keep going in work? Yes. I think music itself has got that magic, to keep you driven. So I think my music always helps me. Whether I'm composing for a purpose or without a purpose, music always gives me a purpose. So I think that's what keeps me alive.
And lastly, before I let you go, what are your upcoming projects you're focusing on?
Right now, Pawan Kalyan sir's, our power star Pawan Kalyan sir's Ustad Bhagat Singh is going on, directed by Mr. Hari Shankar. And after Gabbar Singh, the same combination we are doing together again. And I'm also waiting as much as people are waiting for the film, and it's coming out great. And there are some great dance numbers for which you're going to see Pawan Kalyan sir, our Honorable Deputy CM too. So you can see him in amazing groovy steps.
Thank you so much for your lovely
you.
interaction
Thank
and all
you
the
so
very
much.
best. Thank you. Hi, this is Samina Sheikh here, and with me right now I have Lakshmi Manchu. So join me as I welcome her only on Zoom. Lovely you look as always, and I must
So
say,
are you. Look at your
thank
skin
you.
glowing.
Thank you
Wow.
so much. But look at you, I must say that. What is that one song which plays in your head, whenever you come for an event?
Oh, one song. I think it really depends. Today, I was so tired. I had a very long day. So during my makeup and my photo shoot, I had a complete Afro beats playing because I needed to pick me up to come here.
Yeah, wow. What is that one secret, which you would like to share with your audience out there, which keeps you going always?
Just loving and living in the moment and life itself. It's just so extraordinary to experience it so much in just a day. So what gets me going is just I'm grateful for every morning that I wake up and look forward to that day because it's a fresh day of painting it the way you want it,
And
So,
lastly, after Traitors, what is your upcoming project you're focusing on?
Traitors was very exciting, and there are a couple more things coming up, but once I sign on the dotted line.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your
Thank
lovely
you.
interaction, and always lovely pleasure to see you.
Thank you.